Hi there, it's Doug Atkinson at Black Sun Mortgages, and here we are to talk about financing. I'm glad you just finished the tour with 3652 West 23rd Avenue, but here we are now to talk about the financing of this particular property. So let's get right to it, shall we? So right now, if you look at the value, a full price of $3,288,000 with 20% down, that's a $657,600 deposit on the property. You'd have a mortgage based on $2.63 million and at a 30-year amortization of 2.99%. You're looking at about a payment monthly of $11,050. Well, most people would find that really hard to do unless you put more money down. So let's go to the other end of the scale here, and we look at 35% down on the property. You're looking at $1,150,000 on it. You have a mortgage about $2.137 million at 2.99%, which is the rate right now in our first week of March of 2022. You're looking at a monthly payment of $8,978. Now, the other thing besides the down payment that we have to think about is we have property transfer tax here in British Columbia. And that amount for this particular property is $82,400. Now, that is amount that has to be in cash. It can't be added into your mortgage. So not only are you putting down your down payment of, let's say, 35%, which is $1,150,000, you need to add an additional $82,400. Now, the property transfer tax is broken down at 1% on the first $200,000, 2% on the fair market value up and including $2 million, 3% of the portion after $2 million, and a further 2% on the residential property over $3 million. So that all adds up to about $82,400. I know it's a really complicated little fee schedule, but it works out that way. Now, there can be additional property transfer tax if you're not a Canadian, you're a foreigner buying here or a corporation. So you got to look into the exemptions or what the additional costs are going to be for you. So you can always contact me and I can give you additional information with that. So when you look at the property that we have right in front of us at $3.288 million, if you're putting 35% down, you're looking at about $8,978 a month. That particular amount of money, you'll need an income of well over $350,000 a year. A dual income would fit the purpose really nicely. There is space downstairs in this home to put in a suite, but that would something you'd have to spend and build yourself and put in there. And additionally, you could possibly, for a 2-bedroom, get an additional $2,700 a month. So these are some factors to think about with financing, but if you have any other questions about financing, follow the links to me below, email me, give me some information about yourself, and I can call you back and we can talk about financing for this property or any particular property if that's what you want to do. So thanks again for coming along and checking out the financing on this home, and we'll see you on the next tour.